Fujifilm is announcing an Instax analog square format camera, and it sounds like a nice novelty gift to beat on the table. It is called Instax Square SQ6, and is an instant film camera with an aspect ratio of 1:1, which reproduces photos in a square format of 2.4 inches by 2.4 inches. The Instax Square SQ6 has an automatic exposure control feature, so you do not have to manually modify the settings of a perfectly exposed photo, and a sensor to detect the brightness of the surroundings that will adjust the shutter speed accordingly. It comes with 3 color filters, in orange, purple and green, that can fit over the flash to add a different look. There is also a selfie mode that adjusts focus and brightness to take better close-ups. The camera has a small mirror located next to the lens that helps capture. If you want to take a picture with a group larger than you alone, there is also a built-in 10-second timer and a tripod socket so you can set up your own camera equipment. The Instax Square SQ6 comes in 3 colors, white, gold and gray. You must purchase the Fujifilm Instax movie separately, which costs $12.54 per 10-copy package. The Square SQ6 leaves on May 25 in the United States and Canada for $129.95 and CAD $159.99.